From the makers of Scott Shop Towel, Scott Shop Hand Cleaner is designed specifically with a pumice formulation to remove paint, inks, tar, industrial soils, glue, resins, automotive grime, and more from both hands and washable clothing. It's made in the USA with no harmful petroleum solvents. We'll show you how Scott Shop Hand Cleaner cleans more effectively than the leading brand. Let's choose something really tough to get rid of. Permanent marker. Let's add permanent marker to both hands, then see how each hand cleaner performs. First, let's see how the Fast Orange hand cleaner works at cleaning the permanent marker. Now, let's see how Scott Shop hand cleaner works at cleaning the permanent marker. You can see that there appears to be no residual marker visible on the hand clean with Scott Shop hand cleaner, while the Fast Orange hand cleaner wasn't able to fully remove the marker. When it comes to tackling your toughest grime, leave the citrus in the kitchen. Scott Shop hand cleaner leaves you with a fresh, clean scent with no cherry or citrus smell, plus a better clean than Fast Orange. When it comes down to it, Scott Shop hand cleaner leaves you smelling like a job well done. Trade up to Scott for your next DIY project.